to roll. The Beaufort County School District's Office of Early Childhood is officially on the move as they cut the ribbon on a brand new traveling preschool bus. The mobile preschool will travel throughout the community, offering early childhood learning experiences for children and their families, while also connecting them with helpful resources and support.
One of the big things the bus does in the community is it goes out and actively finds families that need to be connected to resources and high quality early childhood education. So as we're going out in the community, we are finding families that need to be connected to pediatricians or Head Start programs or a private child care center. We also look for families who are in need of basic needs being met. So anything that the family needs when they come on the bus, we connect them to those resources right then and there.
The bus is packed with hands-on educational tools and activities, all aimed at supporting young children during the most critical years of development.
We have added things on this bus that go along with what our students need each and every day. A lot more sensory activities, a lot more interactive activities, technology. One of our biggest new things on the bus is the interactive sand table, where students can go through, they can dig for dinosaur bones, they can build volcanoes and watch them erupt, and they can catch crabs as they go through the ocean.
The new traveling preschool bus will be out on the road soon, visiting communities and neighborhoods.
We refer to this bus a lot of times as the ice cream truck coming into your neighborhood, and we have families coming out from their houses running to see the bus. The outside of the bus was specifically designed to capture children's attention and make them want to come on the bus. So we have children coming right out their homes in their pajamas, and those just ready to get in there and play.
This is now the second traveling preschool bus in the district. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.